From the weather team you can trust, here's Chief Meteorologist Eric Snidel.
Okay, you want to see something kind of cool? This is our live camera from the Sodas Point Lighthouse right now, where it looks like the sun is starting to come up. Close. It's the other thing that comes up at night. That is your moonrise at this hour. So bright as it starts to rise beyond this little limited lip of cloud cover. Just that runway of reflection. Pretty cool to be able to see that. When it's low on the horizon like that, it can really provide some potent shots, I suppose, the best way to put it. 65 your current temp. The wind has gone light, and the chop on the water in this location of many on the South Shore today was noticeable and significant. Dew point is still at 61. That number will drop. That will allow our temperature number to drop as well. And as that moon continues to rise, probably buried beneath that cloud cover now, but it's going to rise on out of that. You're going to look for another point of light just to the right side of this, low and to the right. That brightest point of light is going to be planet Saturn, which is visible to the naked eye. It's up now just from that vantage point. It was probably still a touch too low to see with that cloud cover, but give it another hour or so, you should have an opportunity to see that. It'll be up there all night long, all the way through dawn, and you will have a chance to observe anything and everything in the night sky all the way through dawn, now that our sky has gone mostly clear. Wet weather farther off to the east, a little bit of ground clutter showing up. This is the process of an inversion, we call it in the weather world. Basically, when our surface temp drops like it is right now in the 50s and 60s, it's cooler below warmer air, and it bends the radar beam, and you get some stuff that shows up that can otherwise fool you into thinking it's rainfall. But we know it is not. And we know it is not going to rain into our Tuesday. If you could pick a day this week that I'm going to call the best of the bunch, I probably pick tomorrow. You know, Wednesday's going to be a good one too. If you like it hotter and more humid, maybe you pick Wednesday. But tomorrow's just that nice sweet spot where you're sunny, you've got warmth but not crazy warm and humid. A nice day overall, but hold on here. On our second wettest year that Rochester has had through this point, it probably surprises nobody that moisture is going to be increasing dramatically into the second half of the week. That will begin on Wednesday, keep on going into Thursday and Friday until we get the passage of a frontal boundary. With all of that moisture, you might imagine our dew points are going to be going up. The dew point is just, are you going to feel sticky? Is it going to feel humid? It's yes answers to both of those questions. Dew points getting into the 70s, especially Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That feels like the core of this, and no surprises, that's going to be your trio of days, likely with the overall highest rain chances. So I think the AC units are going to be running again. Enjoy tomorrow. Whatever you got to do outside, you've picked a fantastic one. Low to mid 80s for high temperatures. Heading into Wednesday with that moisture encroaching from the south, it'll be more of a filtered kind of sunny afternoon, but I think the bigger question is, are we able to get any downpours going? And we probably do, but that's a rain chance no better than maybe 20 or 30%, not a big number. Rain chances will then gradually increase both Thursday into Friday. This is not widespread. Some of you may not get any rain at all, but the rain that you do get that's out there is going to be locally heavy. And by the time we go through the weekend, you get 3 straight days of scattered downpours. Yeah, you could pick up another inch. And remember, Rochester only needs a ½ an inch to eclipse that 30-inch precip mark on the year. We're going to do it sooner or later. I feel like it's probably sooner by the weekend.
Yeah.